Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly check your Apple Store balance on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Store app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap Apple Account or Payment and Shipping, depending on your app version, or you can simply tap on Apple account balance. Look for Apple ID balance or gift card and balance. Your Apple Store balance will be displayed at the top of the screen. If you have a gift card or credit, it will show the available balance ready to spend. You can also tap add funds if you want to increase your Apple Store balance. Follow the instruction to add a gift card or transfer fund from your payment method. Double check your balance before making a purchase to know how much you can spend. All updates happen in real time, so you always see your current balance, Apple Store credit, and that's it. Now you know how to check your Apple Store balance quickly and easily on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.